Alrighty guys, so today is going to be probably one of my more favorite videos that I'm going to be making. And what this video is it's going to be going over a very specific Windows process that a lot of you guys probably don't understand quite what it actually does. And so the specific process we're going to talk about today is CSRSS. And what this process does is it essentially is controlling the actual raw input of your mouse, and it actually affects a little bit of your graphics drivers as well. And so another way that you can actually prove this is true is if you go down to the IO delta, IO being input output delta, anytime that you move the mouse, the CSRSS.exe is actually what's controlling that actual raw mouse input. And when you stop moving the mouse, you'll notice that the IO delta stops moving because it obviously affects it. And so I wanted to figure out a way to tweak this essentially this exe file, because what I noticed is that if it's controlling the actual raw mouse input, then we would want it to run at the highest priority. So that would be real-time priority. And to say that this is an awesome tweak that you guys are going to want to try out would be a bit of an understatement. I had a lot of different people that I was recently wanting to test this on across a bunch of different systems, and it's shown a lot of great results. And so I figured I would share this tweak with you guys. So the way that you can get the CSRSS.exe to run in real time, and we're going to do one quick thing before that, is just going to make sure. So what does CSRSS.exe do? Help manage the majority of graphical instructions set on Windows operating systems. So that's a pretty big one for your graphics card and all the other interfaces. And most notable functions is it is responsible for raw input handling for both the keyboard and mouse cursor. So that's definitely something you guys are going to want to do. And another one too, Windows CSR has the Windows subsystems raw input thread, which handles keyboard and mouse inputs. So this one is actually directly affecting that. And so the way that you guys are going to be able to tweak this is what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go down and you're going to open up the registry, and you're going to want to look for this specific file tree. And so the way you get to that is you go to HKey local machine, and then you click on software, Microsoft, and then you're going to want to go down, and then you're going to keep looking until you find the Windows NT current version. And then you're going to want to go to image file execution options. And inside of there, you're going to want to right click on it and then click new key. And you're going to want to create a subfolder within the folder that you name. And so mine did not have CSRSS.exe. You can manually create one yourself with the same name. That's what I did on my system. And so you just create that folder, and then you want to create a subfolder within that folder that's named perf options. And you want to have it very specifically spelled that way. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create two different key values. So go to new dword 32-bit value, and then you're going to want to name that to CPU priority class and IO priority. And then all you guys have to do is change CPU priority class to 4 and then IO priority to 3. CPU priority class 4 is real time, and IO priority is 3 is high. And so IO priority being high and the process has the highest priority means that this will essentially guarantee you to have the lowest possible input lag and latency, because this process directly affects the raw input of your mouse. And so yeah, guys, all you have to do after that is just reset your system. And just to show you that this isn't misreporting as well or anything like that, if I go into Task Manager and then I go up to here, and then I just sort by the different Windows processes here, it'll be named Client Server Runtime Process, CSRSS. I go to Details, CSRSS.exe, Real-Time Priority. And so yeah, guys, all you have to do is just, again, reset it one time, and you guys will be good to go. Anyways, my name's Savaterix, and I'm out.